First vlog, episode 1, with the fam bam. Got little Everett, little E right there. You look shocked. Drinking some tropical smoothie. Sponsor me. And then I got the turkey bacon ranch club sandwich. It's pretty good. Getting ready here in about, well, it's only 12 o'clock, but here in about 5 hours, 6 hours, I'm gonna be out to go fishing. Hoping to land on some bass. I'm gonna be only fishing for a few hours this evening. Anyways, y'all stay tuned. Hopefully I land on some fish, and hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Whew, it's a hot one today. Car temp's reading 96 right now, but it's probably a little bit cooler than that. Head out to the lake, it's 5:30, about to be 6 o'clock. I hope to just catch at least one bass today. It's burning up. Hopefully it cools down here in about an hour. Take me 30 minutes to get to my spot, another 30 minutes to pedal to the spot. So, anyways, y'all stay tuned. Hopefully land on some bass. What's going on, guys? Made it out to the lake, down towards the creek end, and it's a little breezy today, but hoping on to get onto some action. Tossing a chatterbait, popper, and 2 crankbaits, and might switch it up, but hoping to catch at least one fish. Past 2 or 3 times I've been out, I've been getting skunked, so one fish would be nice right about now. But been out here for about 10 minutes, getting my stuff set up, and keep y'all updated. Tossing out a chatterbait. I believe it's in green pumpkin color. Don't have a fish finder, so I'm not able to tell water temp. I can tell you just putting in, it felt pretty warm. This looks a whole lot different than the last time I came out here, and the water's up super high. You can't even see this boat ramp. Chatterbait. I might do black and blue here in a little bit, just the black and blue trailer. But really, when I'm throwing pop water, I've been doing nothing but the whopper plopper this year, and I've had a lot of luck with it, but I kind of want to just try something. That didn't sound good. Dang it. I'm using this on mono line, and it's real thin. I did bring a whopper plopper just in case, but I think you're typically supposed to have like a 12 to 15 pound test for the popper, and I only got 10. Didn't have any 12 to 15 pound line handy, so. And this is a light popper, it's not one of those heavier ones. Okay, might be a little too tight now. We'll say this chatterbait looks pretty good in this water. Got a lot of fish off chatterbait. You almost have to have something with noise in here, like crankbait, chatterbait, or topwater. I have caught a fish off of a Cinco or ribbon-tail worm, black and blue. I mean, it has to be like a pretty thick one. I think I caught it off of Berkeley, but toss it right there in that little shaded area. Oh, great. Oh, great. Looks like I'll be tying on a new chatterbait. Did the full wrap around. I think I can actually get this one though. This spot for sure. Just looks real good. Looking at, oh, that's a huge gar. Looking at it, the area to the right's way more shaded than the one on the left, like night and day, and it's a lot cooler. So I think I'm gonna fish on the right just because I don't feel like getting sunburned, burning up today. Let's see, what time is it? 7:20. All right, I might as well make my way down this little creek a little further. combo yet, but shallow diving crankbait. Sixth Sense makes this one. It's in a whitish color, so maybe that's what they want. Throw nothing but really dark colors besides that popper. I just have a good feeling I'm gonna get snagged. Oh, this looks good in the water. At least you can see it. Everything else, you really can't see that well. Got something on finally. Gosh. Stay on. Finally. Got that guy real shallow. Whew. I thought I had a fish on. I'm like, wait. I've been snagged so many times tonight. I just kind of assumed it was. Oh yeah, that fish is hot. Okay. All right, man. Tough day, but got one. Can't complain. Finally figured them out. The one I wasn't tossing all day. Should have been tossing the whole time. Sixth Sense is where it's at, I guess. Seems to be working. It's a little dink. He's a little chunky little fella. Let's see. Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get a picture real quick. Let me get one of the. Whew, so glad I caught a fish. Gosh, that was rough. You know, when you're just at that point where you're like, I'm about to just give up and go ahead and call it. Little guy decides to come out and play. A couple more casts, because I know further down there's really no, I've never caught a fish further down, but a few more casts and I'm calling it. Got to load up still, and oh dang, come on. I missed that one, too much slack. Dogs are hungry, made it back to the headquarters. Gonna go ahead and feed my dogs, call it night. Caught one fish off the crankbait. It was a little hot, breezy, but it's nice to get out and fish. Say hi, Rex. There's a mess. And there's JoJo. Might have seen JoJo in the other videos, but gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. Till next time.